cut the sticker. Even the Walmart employee hadn't seen a PS4 in this town at all this year. I bought one myself already and resold it. Let's see here. Brand new headphones. It's just one of these cheap little pieces, but it is brand new, it looks like. And brand new HDMI cord. Brand new controller. Ooh. Oh, that's awesome. And I am reselling this. Hopefully somebody buys it and gets some games from my store. Power cord. That's everything that came in the box, guys. Little guide. About it. Well, there's no little piece of plastic to pull off of the PlayStation logo or anything. It is really shiny, glossy finish all the way around though. And the number that's on this one is an MG 2068 34706. But I'm not plugging it on this video, guys. This is just showing it off. I'm gonna sell this, so that's what I do. I have a video game store in La Grande, Oregon. If you want to buy this thing, put down a comment. Not really